Create a work system that works for you. Organize your files by alphabetical order. Prioritize by importance of investigation to establish liability. Follow-up notes are a major subject in this line of work. They are very important. Calendar all your pending needs to do it in every file. Stay focused, avoid missing deadlines. Developing your calendar system. If you have 75 files, divide them by the amount of working days in the month. Example, 75 divided by 25 days equals 3, which means that you're only going to be working 3 files a day. What this means is that you can calendar to work 3 files a day. When you are working with the file, you will always go to your last note on the computer program and continue with your pending assignments. Take all your phone calls from clients. This is very important. Make your clients feel they are important to you. Adjusters' phone calls are also very important because sometimes it's difficult to reaching them by phone. Read your emails. Read your mail, faxes. Sort your mail in your client's file. Review documents when received to resolve and avoid issues down the line. Beware of any debt denial letters. You will want to show the letters immediately to your attorney. Always read the doctor's lien before signing or before giving it to the attorney. We will now continue with our formats that I have prepared for you just to give you an idea of what I have been talking about. First, you're going to see a printout of my calendar. As you can see, I have the name of the client, the date, and time I should be working on this file. And after that, you're going to see a form of an initial intake over the phone. If you have a new client over the phone, these are the main questions you need to ask. After that, you're going to see a form of the actual intake packet, which is about 4 forms that are questionnaires for your clients, and where you're asking about their general information and about the accident. And then after that, you're going to see 2, 3, 4 forms, additional forms that needs to be signed by your client, which is the authorization for us to get medical records, and then the retainer agreement, and then the authorization to work on our client's case, another type of authorization. So it's 4 in total, and all that needs to be signed before we even start working on the case. Always make sure that they're all signed and dated. After that, you're going to see an example of a police report, and I will let your case manager explain to you how to go ahead and read this report in the fastest way so you can understand how the police officers write their comments, etc. And now we're going to do a quiz for workshop number 2. Your first question is, what does pop a policy mean? Your second question is, what does liability mean? Your third question is, which is the best system to keep up with your files? Fourth question is, what is a lien? Fifth question is, what does a sign-up mean? Sixth question is, what does a phone intake mean?